Students' Union of India, Manipur today conducted the first state-level mini-marathon under the theme Run for Peace, Unity and Progress to mark the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. The rally marathon was kicked off from Manipur University and ended at the western gate of Kangla. Paryatan Parv 2019 is observed in the state from 2nd till 13th of this month. In connection to this, a state-level quiz competition will be held at Gandhi Memorial, Imphal today. Chief Minister N. Biren, along with the Chairman of Tourism Corporation of Manipur Limited, Dr. Shapam Ranjan, will grace the event as main guest. Acting on a tip-off, a team of Imphal West Commando arrested a man along with suspected brown sugar during a house search in Phobitek, Mayay Lekai, Imphal West last afternoon. As per police reports, the arrested man has been identified as 47-year-old MD Satar alias Item of Phobitek, Mayay Lekai. The third edition of 3-day-long Butterfly and Biodiversity Meet, Pasighat, has begun at Ledum village in Arunachal Pradesh on Tuesday. According to media reports, the meet is participated by Pasighat West MLA Ninong Ering, East Siang District Deputy Commissioner Dr. Kenny Singh, among several butterfly and wildlife experts, enthusiasts, tourists, nature lovers, environmentalists, research scholars, and ecologists. 34 Chakma students, including 9 girls of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya in Sachdev district in Mizoram, left their school citing threat after one of them was allegedly beaten up by a group of Mizo students. The Chakmas are a minority community in the state. In a joint operation, security forces nabbed an armed cadre of United Liberation Front of Assam Independent, along with explosives at Tarani Silkaranjan under Penigari Police Station in Assam's Tinshukia district. On the basis of secret information, the anti-insurgency operation was carried out jointly by the Tinshukia Police, 210 Cobra Battalion of the CRPF, 23 Punjab Regiment and 21 Para Security Force.